I'll walk the corridors of time again, through the gate of DM College of Arts in Pale, where the January rains kiss the old red walls and laughter echo down the hall. I was in first year, you were in second year. You walked with books pressed to your heart, and I just watched from afar. I never said a word, never had the nerve to smile, just sat by the veranda, watching you all the while. Here I am, my secret crush, my darling. Why does my heart wake tonight from the silence calling? It's been 27 years, I still see your face in rain, but the colors fade, your smile's a blur again. My heart's not old, it still dreams true, even after time and storms blew through. Here I am, still singing for you, my love, my first, my only truth. The veranda bench where I used to wait, your dimpled smile stole my fate. You passed me by, world froze in time, yet I could only whisper love in rhyme. I followed shadows, I followed dreams, through college gates and sunset gleams. And though life took me far away, that look in your eyes still stays. Now I'm married to a stranger soul, chained to a story I can't control. Years went by, the mirror lies, but your memory never dies. Is it foolish to wonder, are you still alive? Did life treat you kind? Did your dreams survive? I tried to see your face tonight, but it blurred into the fading light. Here I am, my secret crush, my darling. Why does my heart wake tonight from the silence calling? It's been 27 years, I still see your face in rain, but the colors fade, your smile's a blur again. Fate allows before I fade. I wish to see your smile again someday, not to hold, not to claim, just to see the girl who once awakened me. Here I am, beneath January rain, remembering love that never came.